Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to zoom in or zoom out video on Clipchamp. Let's get started. First, log into your Clipchamp account. Import your video to the Media tab. Drag your video down to the timeline. Move the playhead to where you want to zoom in. Click the split button. Then click on the first section you just split. Use the pan and zoom handles to scale and reposition the video to zoom in. You'll see an instant zoom effect, but it may feel abrupt. The second method is click on the clip in the timeline, then go to right panel and click on Effects. Scroll to find Slow Zoom. Choose either zoom in or zoom out. Click Apply. Then review the video. Your video will now zoom smoothly without any harsh transitions. You can use the zoom effect to create cinematic intros, focus on details, and add emphasis. Combine split plus effects for more advanced zoom sequences. And that's it. That's how you zoom in and zoom out your videos in Clipchamp. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.